Kumban pensilur susu ya ki kena ya lekai jong ka Mynken Christian High Secondary School Bhoirymbong ke belawan ra ya ke Burom ya ke jela Meghalaya hi baro kawai ya ke bakilala ban poi ha ke kerdan ka balai ha ke second Indo French tournament araja rarpsan ka belalong ha po ka France Paris. Nakaliang momentary romba ka jela Conrad Kongol sama walaupun ku Burom ya baro kirang ya lekai menta ka sengi ha po ka nong ba Shillong. Nakaliang momentary romba haringkat ka sorkal jela ulaong baka jinglekai spot hapau ka jela kablong kabadan kam hadu kata-kata ya kaba umtang bagi yoi ya ka jingdon sab jongki kena Henry nakaliang ka sorkal jela kadang ya kershan ya kirang ya lekai kena mungkin la ban lek ya lekai ya kiwi ki jaka la hapau kari India ni sabar kari ru kumju.
Also request one of our senior coach to consult to our program. I also request one of our senior coaches to our program. That we invite success of a young footballer. They have worked hard to reach their goals. And please kindly welcome our honorable chief guest for today, our own honorable chief Mr. Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is a joy to be here once again to Super Cup 2024. Champions in the state level Super Cup 2024. Richborn Kharpuri, please come forward. Vinshailam L. Nongialehkai. Let's clap for them. Let's clap for the boys. Erikson Pamsat. Sandu Ravindra. Frankie Dekhal. Bantebor Omjo. Alistair Pynkup. Vanansan Longklang.
This is indeed a very proud moment for me, a proud moment for our state, and a very proud moment for each and every one of you. You have had the opportunity to represent not just your school, not just our state, but the country in the Indo-French football tournament of 2025. And not only did you represent the country, but you also came third in this tournament. And once again, I congratulate you for that. And I think they all deserve another round of applause for this great performance that they have done in this particular tournament that was held in France. As a state government, for us sports is very, very important. I always repeat that it is important for us, not only because we feel that the talent is there and it just needs the support, and with that support our youngsters can actually perform very well at local as well as national and international tournaments.